welcome back to my channel. There's a video. Today we're gonna be doing soft girl makeup. It's a little like innocent looking makeup. I feel like more pinky towards more pink. So without further ado, let's go right into the video. Okay, so first starting with, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Skin Tint. It's in the shade medium 10. I'm just like dotting it all over the face just like this. Now I'm going to blend this with my foundation brush, just like that. And I'm just dabbing it onto my skin. Next, I'm going to be using this Beauty's concealer. It's in the shade 110 Light M. So I'm just going to take some and put it on the under of my eyes, just like this. And it's a beautiful natural coverage concealer that is just so nice. It really blends into your skin so seamlessly. And it's seriously so skin-like. Like, I was shocked when I like used this because I've never used like this kind of formulation in my entire life. So it's like, wow, this really is a good concealer. It's quite different from the other ones that I've used. I'm just going to put my concealer. Just like that. Also with dabbing motions, no dragging should be there. So you're just supposed to dab your brushes and not drag it. Next, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer. It's in the shade Day Trip, so we're just going to be using this. Just going to be taking my brush and just tap it just like that, and just swirl my brush into it. I'm just going to put it on my cheekbones, just like that, to just bronze our entire face. And the finisher is so natural. This bronzer is not as dark and it's buildable, so that's amazing about this bronzer, guys. And I'm also going to just bronze up my nose a little bit, just like using this as a contour. So we're just going into like that. And also you're supposed to blend your contours and bronzers into your eyes, like eyebrows, just like that. It makes it more natural. It doesn't look like sharp and stark. So yeah, I like that naturally bronzy look. So just like that, I just put it onto my brows. Next, I'm going to be using this Cherry Blossom Nudestix blush, and this is their glowy dewy blushes. So I'm just going to take some. I'm just going to take it with my brush, just like that. I'm just going to put it onto my cheeks. And this color, guys, it looks so beautiful, like fresh look it gives. Like, I love this blush. It's so beautiful. It's like a pinky rosy, and it also like brightens my skin a lot as well. So this is like my favorite shade of blush in my collection. I'm just gonna put some on the other cheeks. Also, I'm gonna put some blush onto my nose, bridge just like that. Now I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder, and it's in the shade Light. So I'm just taking some powder and I'm just going to put it under my eyes and just set my under eyes. Next, I'm going to be using the Bow Brow from e.l.f. I use this a lot, guys, and it's about to get finished, so it's just like a last bit that I'm going to be using this today for. Okay, next let's start with the eyeshadow. For that, I'm going to be using two palettes. First, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Rose Butter eyeshadow palette, and I'm also going to be using this one. It's also from e.l.f. Their Cream and Sugar eyeshadow palette. So first what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my rose color palette and I'm just going to be taking this lighter shade from it. I'm going to put it all over my crease, like that. Nicely. I'm also going to take the shade down on my lash, lower lash line as well, just like so. Next, for the cream and sugar palette, I'm going to be taking the dark brown shade and I'm going to be putting it and I'm forming a wig with it. Taking the shade dark brown shade and I'm just going to make my own like lash line with this. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just taking this brown shade just like that and I'm just going to expand it. It gives a beautiful like dewy kind of eye look. As you can see, already my eyes are looking much bigger at this side rather than that side. So I'm just going to take some more and I'm just going to and it looks so good, guys. It's like that. I'm also gonna be doing the same thing on the other side as well. And I'm also going to extend my inner corners, so I'm just going to do that now. I'm going to be taking this brush and I'm going to be taking the same brown shade that we did for the eyeliner and for our lash line. And I'm just going to put it and make it like eyeshadow with it. Eyeshadow is the kind of like that fat, under eye fat. So just going to accentuate that. Just like this. The days your eyes look like more like cutesy and more big, I feel. Now I'm going to take the lighter shade from the cream and sugar palette. It's kind of like a skin kind of shade. I'm taking it and I'm just going to put it right here in between the line there for the eyeshadow and also for the under eye rose water palette. And I'm just going to be taking this lighter, this beautiful sparkly pink color. It's like a rosy pink color. It's so beautiful, guys. It's my favorite shade. So I'm just going to be taking this and putting it on the center of my eyelids, just like so. Just like that. I'm just going to take this and just going to kind of put it on my inner corners. Just like that. So I'm going to take the same shimmer and I'm just going to put it like right here on the bottom lash line, just like so. Now I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Lash and Roll mascara. Next I'm just going to put this mascara on. This mascara beautifully separates the lashes and makes you look like you have a lot of lashes. It's such a beautiful mascara. Next for the lips, I'm going to be using this Colourpop lippie pencil. It's in the shade BFF. So with this, I'm just going to line my lips. Now I'm going to be using this Rom&nd Juicy Lasting Tint as my lip color today, and it's in the shade Grape. So we're just going to put this inwards and not all over my lips. So this just inside of the lips, just like that. Lastly, to set our face, I'm going to be using this Dewy Coconut Setting Mist from e.l.f. and I'm just going to spray it all on my face. Guys, now I'm going to be using this highlighter and just going to take a little bit and I'm just going to put it on my nose, just like so. Yeah. Like I'm not already glowing enough, but I love highlighting my. I'm also gonna put some highlighter on my brow bones. Guys, this is the final look. Guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until that, bye bye.